traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 29th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold actually ended up making another three-way pattern to the upside after making 3 waves down. That's actually a pretty good clue for us because most likely a 3-3-3, 3-3 pattern, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, will either lead to 5 waves down, which would be a flat, or possibly it could lead to another 3-way pattern to the downside, which would be a WXY, which would be a 333. So I would either expect to see a 5-way pattern down or a 3-way pattern down, probably to one of these Fibonacci levels. And if you get into like a big engulfing move up, especially if you can identify the break of structure, that is what would tell me that this is the end of a correction. And I still think there's a pretty good chance that this will keep on going up, especially looking at the very high time frames, which I still think are all still in a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.